everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Study with Soumya. I hope you all are absolutely fine. Well, first of all, if you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed this channel till now, make sure to subscribe. Also, when subscribing, don't forget to turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any important update or opportunity from the channel itself. Well, this is a good news for all 2022 pass out that TCS has started hiring. Yes, you can see register for TCS Ninja hiring. So registration has been started and registration end date is 15th of August 2021. Test date will be 30th August onwards, right? And interview date will be announced soon. So about TCS Ninja hiring, so this is for 2022 pass outs. Listen to it carefully. So leading in the new normal has reinforced our global leadership position. It's our privilege and pride to be acknowledged as a preferred partner of innovation and growth. Now, we invite you to take a big step in forging a fruitful partnership towards growth and transformational pursuits. We are hiring BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc from the year of 2022. Yes, so you should be 2022 pass out pursuing BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc. For more test eligibility, let's have a look here. So first of all, for application process, what you have to do, you have to log on to the TCS Next Step portal, right? And here's a link given to you. If you haven't registered yourself, so first you have to do the registration, then you have to do the login, right? So this is the site given. Now what you have to do, you have to register and apply to the TCS Ninja hiring process. Okay, so you have to register and apply for the TCS Ninja hiring process. And if you are a registered user, so if you have already done registration, so you have to simply log in and you have to complete the application form, and on completion kindly click on apply for drive, right? In section B, if you are a new user, then first of all you have to do the registration, choose category as IT. Listen to it carefully, that you have to choose category as IT itself and then proceed to fill your details. Okay, and for mode of test, in center or remote, and click on apply. Okay, then what you have to do, you have to confirm your status, check your application. The status should be applied for drive. Important note is that you must have all your original academic documents readily available, mark sheet and degree certificates. Communication related to the test will be communicated to you by TCS ION. Test mode, in center or remote, once selected at the time of apply for drive, it cannot be changed. Also, TCS does not send offers any hiring related communication from unofficial email IDs like as Gmail, Rediff Mail, Yahoo Mail. So make a note of that. Also, TCS does not ask, so you don't have to pay any rupee, a single penny for this. Okay, now for any help you can reach out to this email ID as mentioned. For test eligibility, again you can check it first. Okay, so for percentage, what they have mentioned, how many percentage, so 60% or 6 CGPA in class 10th 12th is required, and for graduation and post graduation as well. Backlog, so students should not have more than one active backlog. Active they are talking about, so still if you are having one active backlog, that's okay, but not more than that, as if they have said. Gap is, it is mandatory to declare gaps in education. If any break in education should not be due to extended education. Okay, any break in education should not exceed 24 months. Okay, so there should be they have allowed only a gap of 24 months. Course type, only full-time courses should be there. Work experience, obviously you are fresher. Age should be of 18 to 28 years of age, and course and discipline they have mentioned. Talking about test pattern, so here let's have a look on the test pattern. So part A will be cognitive skills, where you will be having numerical ability. Time allotted will be 40 minutes. For verbal ability, time allotted will be 30 minutes. For reasoning ability, time allotted will be 50 minutes, right? So overall 120 minutes for cognitive skills. Let's come to the part B, that is programming part now. So for programming logic, you will be having 15 minutes. Hands-on coding 45 minutes, as it consists of 2 coding questions. Also, there will be no negative marking. Listen to it carefully, no negative marking is going to be there. The total time for programming, you will be having 60 minutes. That's why overall time for the test you will be having 180 minutes. Here are some frequently asked questions, so you can just go through them once if you have any doubt or something, right? So this is a wonderful opportunity, guys. Make sure to do the registration. Also start your preparation, although we are having many videos related to TCS coding and all such stuff, all such sections. So go through them, start the preparation. All the best, guys. And make sure to share this video among your friends as well. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and be a part of our Telegram channel as well. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.